Customer with a 2023 Toyota Tacoma. We want some extra keys made, so I went and got them 2 new keys. As you can see, these are OEM keys, and they're not programmed yet. And I'll be back with a part 2 once they get them programmed. All right, so just finished programming. As you can see, the 2 new keys are programmed, and of course the OEM works. And these are all OEM keys. And of course, it starts the car. This is another successful job on a 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Yes, sir. Bam. All right. Peace. And yeah, my hands a little ashy, you know what I mean? I just gotta, put some lotion on. But whatever. All right.